Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Hi, it's me Joan Broñola again. And so for this video guys, ay magagawin naman tayo ngayon. Nasa nga po mag-unboxing po ako po. Ito po yung binibili po ni host. Ayan po. Power bank. Pati yung mga ito. Yung mga sinusuot po natin po. Yung mga latest po online. So ito po siya. So whatever we do, let's get started! So una po ito po yung power bank natin. So affordable price lang po to siya. So, binibili ko to siya po doon po sa may small market lang po sa hometown namin. Ito po siya is power po niya is 10,000 megabytes po siya hanggang po yung chargeable po niya. So ano lang po siya guys, murang-mura lang po siya. Ito binibili ko po siya at least for 280 po. For 280 lang po siya. Maganda po siya po guys. So ano po siya? Pang babae talaga siya. Super po. Ito po yon. Napakaano niya. Mura lang. Affordable price lang po siya. Ito. Yan. Diba? Super cute niya. Ito. Napakaano niya oh. Tapos may meron pa siyang lagyan lang dito. Tapos ayan. Tapos kung makikita nyo, once kung i-charge nyo na to, dito po mag-count po yung mga kulay-kulay niyan. Once mag-stop na po siya, which is full na po siya. Ito po yung para sa charger niya, tapos itong para sa phone. So, bali, ano po siya, power bank po ito siya sa mobile phone. So, ito po. Yan, napaka-ano niya, galing po niya po guys. Tapos, murang-mura lang po siya, affordable prices lang po siya. So, tapos ito yung, bali, ano niya, lagyanan niya. And meron po siyang USB para pang ano po, pang charge po to siya. Gamitin mo lang to siya pang extension po. Meron po dun sa may pang ganun sa phone natin. So tapos ito yung pang wire niya. Tapos dito mo siya ano po sa pinaka ano niya, chargeable area. So ito po siya. Once po binibili ka guys, makikita nyo lang to sa mga murang market store. Mga maliliit lang pong mga store po sa mga hometown natin. Ganyan. So next naman, so bali yung high speed niya guys. Bali built-in intelligent po siya. Bulk Intelligent Management System po siya. So, which is intelligent operation and improve the electricity. So, the conversation and compatibility at the same time. Quick phone, feeling zero injury. Improve the electricity. So, ito po siya guys. Magaling po siya talaga. So, madali lang po siyang gamitin. Murang-mura lang din po siya. Abot bulsa lang po siya. So, ayan. So, thank you. Then, next naman is ito yung ginagamit natin ngayon. So, ito po siya. So, binibili ko po siya po. Doon lang din po sa maliit na store lang po sa hometown namin. So, ito po yung price niya. Ayan. Murang-mura lang po siya, which is 50 pesos po. So, ginagamit ko to ngayon sa harapan nyo para naman ay, medyo clear naman yung boses natin. Hindi naman yung parang merong mga sapo-sapo yung mga nakisali dyan, guys. Yung mga maraming mga anong ibig sabihin, mga notes dyan nakasali po sa vlog natin. So, next naman, ito yung ito po sila. Ayan. Binibili ko mo to siya guys. Ano din to sa fourth payout natin. So, para naman minsan may treat natin yung sarili pero mag-iwan din tayo para pangbukas naman. So, para pang treat naman, i-treat namin minsan yung sarili natin. So, ito po siya. Ayan. Abot bulsa lang po to siya guys. Ayan. Magaling po siya. Sarap po siyang ipares po sa mga, yung mga high waist pang ganito hanggang sa may, sa may pusod natin. So, ito po, nice po siya, mga simple lang po siya. Gusto ko ng ganitong mga stripe para pang pagpawisin ako. Sobrang mapawisin akong pagkatawa pero para hindi siya halatang halata ba once kung pinagpapawisan ko. So, ito po siya. Ayan. Ayan. So, tinitreat ko yung sarili ko guys, kahit kaunti lang. At least mapapasaya naman natin yung sarili natin noon. So, next naman, ito. Ayan. Ito din. Light color po to siya. Light green. Ayan. Tapos ito. Ayan. So, light green po siya. Mga small size po. Pero stretchable po siya guys. Ayan. Mga stretchable po siya po. Masusot po talaga to. Kahit mga any sizes po siya, pwede po siyang masusot kasi naman siya. Ganyan lang po siya. Oh. Stretchable po siya. So, next naman, ito. Ito yung sinuot ko ngayon. Tapos, tinatry ko siyang isinuot. Ano naman siya? ano tayo, so for, ano lang siya. Ayan. Sexy ng kaunti. Ayan, tapos nakikita nyo guys, medyo ano lang, nagaganahan din ako kasi ano siya, cotton po siya na, ano po siya, cotton, tapos tan po yung color niya, bagay-bagay po sa ano, sa natin sa balat natin ba. Hindi masyado yung, recognize po yung pagkaitim natin. So, next naman, ito din, hilig po siya sa mga stripe guys. So, ganito lang po talaga kasi ano ko, yung live streaming tayo, ito pong ginagagamitin ko kasi sobrang mapawisin ako sobra guys ba. Ayan po, ito po siya, yung last, ito po. Ayan. So, tinatry ko to doon sa mga store, sa maliit lang na mga divisoria doon sa, ano lang po, sa lungsod namin. Ito po, makikita po natin yung mga hips natin siya. Hindi lang yung pong hips, pero kailangan po talagang ipares ito sa mga high waist po. So, ayan. So, ayan lang po yung video ko po ngayon guys. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo from the start and up to natapos po. So, sana po nag-enjoy kayo. So, sa ganito po guys, ayun po, napaka-importante po talaga to. Lalo na po mag-vlog tayo. Tapos, mabutan tayo ng lobat guys ba. Lalo na po ngayon na. Doon po, ano po si host mo na sa bundok. Nakidita mo na doon. Kasi wala nang wifi talaga sa bahay. So, sirang-sira na siya. So, doon na ako talaga naman lagi po sa may bundok. Ito na po lagi yung stable na ginagamit ko. Once maglulubat, meron na agad akong ipapaslot doon, meron akong ilalagay doon sa phone. So, meron ng mga extra ba once po meron tayong mga emergencies. Ayan po. So, yan lang po yun guys. Sana po mayroon kayo nakukuha mga natutunan mga ano po, video na ni host ngayon. So, if you like this video, please give me like, thumbs up, and subscribe sa hindi pa nakasubscribe para ma-notified kayo sa mga susunod na coming videos ko po. So, whatever you want the most in life, you are become like special. So, keep always positive in your mind and put smile in your face. Bye! See you around. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all. Thank you so much for watching everyone and keep safe.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds, we put the work in, we got some work, man. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. this. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
This is all, and keep safe everyone, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!